Hello. Today, let's set up this BALCONERA Stone. In this case, it's a 50 stone grade devised LECHUZA balcony dream back-bringing device for your classic balcony boxes. How we perform this? It's a really cool system. The planting and watering thing is so easy. Our plants will flourish naturally with the sub-irrigation system from LECHUZA. Let's start. You see, you can separate these two boxes to make a good and clear setup device now. If we go outdoor with this box, we can remove the red drain plug before using LECHUZA planters outdoor on balconies or pastures. This allows excess rainwater to drain, but if we use it indoor, we will let this plug into the place where it is. We have to assemble the water supply measurement tool to make a better understanding how much water we have to drain into it after the beginning phase. So we can assemble this, like you can see. It's a little bit parts of it. That means we have information, a swimming tool on it. We have a show glass and so on, which will lift up by the water which comes from the bottom, and then it brings the red line up, and we can see how full the water tank will be in the future. We attach this to the inner box, and then we can continue to the next step with this setup. Now we can continue with planting and the plant liner. We completely cover the bottom of the plant liner with the entire bag of supply, for example, LECHUZA pond granulate. We place quality potting soil over the layer of the LECHUZA pond after this. Now, let's place the desired plants in the plant liner and fill the plant liner with quality potting soil until it is a thumb's wide below the planter's handle. This ensures proper functioning of the recesses carrying handles, if applicable. We make sure that the soil held together by the root ball of the plant remains fully intact. We do not wash or cut the root ball. And for the first 3 weeks after planting, water the plant careful as we normally would do, pouring the water into the plant substrate from above. This forces the plant roots to search for water and nutrients. They indirectly encourage the roots to grow. After this 3 weeks, we can go to the big thing. That means we fill the water reservoir in one step via the water supply shaft until the water level indicator reached the maximum level. We check whether the level shown on the water level indicator has declined after 2 up to 3 days. This indicates that our plants are already being supplied with water via the reservoir. And this is the big, really cool thing behind this. When the water level indicator reaches minimum after a few days, we do not water straight away. With the LECHUZA, this is a normal, that the start of the dry phase, which can last 3 up to 3 days in cool weather. However, with the BALCONERA or neither, we can skip the dry phase completely on hot days. And then we can have fun with our nice planted and really cool looking plants in this LECHUZA box here. At the end of the plant growing in phase, we add commercial liquid fertilizer to the plant during the summer months, for example. We do not have to do that, but it's a recommendation. And then Of course, we're protecting plants in the winter. The plants should be protected from frost when the temperature falls below freezing. We use the particle plant liners to store our plants in a protected area during the winter, for example. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.